This brand is made in China and is available online through Amazon, but the guarantee on the units is minimal when compared to other brands. The units use self-evaporating technology, which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket, and they have environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. They have a 3-speed fan with auto swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room, but use a standard washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. They have a sleep mode for energy savings, but use a single hose design, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. The units are pretty quiet during operation with a noise rating of 55 decibels, which is about 1/2 the level of normal adult conversation. The AC-1DDDD models are for cooling only, while the AC-141DDH units are for heating and cooling. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.